Okay, so it is day 10. It's probably either early afternoon or late morning, and I am just leaving Doc Campbell's, which was fantastic. Super nice people. Definitely recommend checking it out. Very hiker friendly. But I don't know, I'm gonna go check out the dwellings. I'm not really gonna push the miles too hard today. Maybe get 10 miles out, and then tomorrow I'll just jam, do a 30-mile day or something. But no rush. There's a lot of snow ahead and some more storms coming in, I guess. It's just winter is not letting up. So right now I'm looking at my options. They don't look very good. I really don't want to winter hike this year. I did it last year in the Sierras, although it was amazing. I just don't want to do that again this year. That's why I wanted to start so late, so I could just kind of walk through the San Juans, but it's definitely not the case this year. I'll figure it out when I go home. Maybe I'll flip south, wait a month or so, and then go Sobo back to New Mexico. That way I could enjoy Colorado, which is what I really want to do. I've never hiked in Colorado, and it's kind of like a highlight, and I just really want to see, you know, the winds are, you know, just all the sections with as little snow as possible. So hope you guys are having a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, I made it up to the cliff dwellings, Gila cliff dwellings. Really excited to check it out. It's about a 0.8 mile reroute, and then I'll go that back, so we'll see how it is. Up to the cliff dwellings. Pretty sweet up here. just leaving the Gila cliff dwellings. Pretty awesome. Really incredible what they were able to do. I guess they were built somewhere around the 1280s to protect from war, just to get away from shelter. Either way, pretty remarkable stuff they're able to do back then, and just really cool. But yeah, almost out of here. Gonna hike back to the high route and get back on the CDT. See y'all. Alright, just taking a quick break. I think about 6 miles out of camp. If I'm being completely honest, I'm just not into this hike at the moment, or in general. I don't really know what I'm looking for. I just not having that much fun. I know there's a bunch of snow coming up, but besides that, even with the snow, I'm just not into it. I don't know. Hopefully I'll snap out of it because it's beautiful, and this is what I really enjoy doing. I think maybe I just miss who I was hiking with before and my friends, and this is just a whole different beast in general. There's just no one out here. It's just Soda and myself, and who knows when I see him. It's just basically myself, music, podcasts, thoughts all day. But I'm just gonna try to snap out of it today. Tomorrow, hope to have a big day. I mean, either way, I'll be on this trail till June 3rd. You guys are having a great day. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright, this is my daily recap. Basically 16 miles out of Doc Campbell's, and it was like an up and down day. The highlights were definitely the Gila cliff dwellings. The place was amazing. The lows, just mentally fatigued. My body just doesn't feel as strong as it did on the PCT. Aches, like my ankle, my knees, and all that is just kind of playing with my head. You know, when you don't have to feel each step, it's much easier to have your mind think of other things, you know, like future things or accomplishments. But one thing I remember from the PCT when I did go through this is it's only temporary. But you know, 16-mile day plus probably 3 miles of excursions. So still a decent day. Tomorrow I do hope to get up early and get back on the 30-mile game. I'm gonna wake up, have some coffee, because that always makes me feel better, and then just jam, try to do 10 by 10. Haven't done that in a while. Not sure if I mentioned this, but Cookie is back a couple days. I guess he got sick in Silver City, so he headed back just to rest. But other than that, Soda's ahead, maybe by half a day. I should see him tomorrow or the next day, and then we'll be officially in the Davia Ranch, which I hear is amazing. It's gonna have like fridge stocked with beer, eggs, meats, all just donation based, warm showers, laundry. I mean, man, people are so amazing, it's crazy. But yeah, good and bad day, but overall, obviously, great day because I'm outside in nature, no complaints, no worries. I mean, it is pretty special when you think about it. But hopefully tomorrow, the mental game will be back. All right. I just saw a mountain lion. It was literally at this stream right here. Oh my God. Oh, that was insane. It literally just bolted straight up that hill right up there. Oh my God, that was amazing. Wow, that thing, good thing it was running the other way because that was massive. Wow, woo. Okay, I'm about 9 miles into my day. It's almost 9:30, and it looks like I'm gonna be good for 10 by 10. I'll hopefully I get a little bit past that. I have a climb in front of me, but already turning out to be an epic morning. Cougar sighting, great terrain, good pace. It's incredible what like a good night's sleep, some coffee, and just the right attitude can do to your hike. So I'm down here back at the Gila River, gonna get some more water, extra caffeine, and then get a jam on. I'll see you guys. Bye. Sorry for the sound, but had to get prepared for some rain and weather. It's not looking very good. Basically, I mean, the forecast said it was going to be really cold today and windy, which it is, but didn't really mention any clouds, which there are. On the last storm, I lost my rain cover, so I tried to rainproof my bag as much as possible. Even made the sit pad a little wider on top, so hopefully it'll prevent my food, which is on top. I have Z-Packs stuff sacks, which I believe they're waterproof or water resistant. So with my backpack and all my stuff sacks, hopefully everything will stay dry, because that's what I really care about. I don't care if I'm wet, but as long as I'm able to get into shelter, if it's snowing or raining or whatever it may be, and just stay dry and warm, that's really all I care about. But still enjoying this day. It's great hiking weather because it is nice and cool. But yeah, see you guys next time. All right, so I am just over 17 miles for the day. It is just about 12:20, so crushing it for sure. I am going to take a quick, maybe 10-minute break. Take all this rain gear off because I put it on, and of course it just turned into beautiful blue skies with giant clouds. Check it out. Could come back around, but hopefully not. All right, see you at lunch. It's lunchtime. It's 2 o'clock, day 11, and I've clocked about 21 miles, which is a pretty good day. I still think I have about 12 more in me. Hopefully, I'll take my time, but as long as I'm at camp by close 7:30, that'd be great. So looking at just about a 32-mile day. There's a big water carry ahead. I'm hoping there will be water, but it looks like it's going to be about 17-mile water carry. So I'll camp, and then in the morning it should be no problem getting water. I don't know, I might try doing 3 liters. That'd be plenty, maybe more than enough. So maybe drink a bunch of water here and maybe carry out like 2.5. The lighter the better, that's for sure. So all right, I'm gonna enjoy a nice wrap and some chips, lighten my load a bit, and get on the trail. See you guys. Hi, good evening. I believe this is day 11, either that or 12, I don't know. It just blends together. But this is my recap for the day. Pretty damn epic day. I mean, I woke up to a mountain lion. That's pretty incredible. And it was kind of keeping me going all day. Just thinking about it, it was insane. Literally like 15 feet away. Who needs coffee when you have a mountain lion? But yeah, I hiked a lot today. I'm somewhere around 36 miles. I was intending to go like 32, but then when I looked at the map, the Davila, I don't know, there's only like one L in the name. The ranch is about, how many? 57 miles from here. So the plan is to hike like 31 to the junction, and then the additional 25 into the ranch, preferably by like 5 p.m. Day after tomorrow. So that's the reason for the big day. I just wanted to set myself up really nicely, because once I get to the ranch, I'm gonna just kind of take my time, shower. I guess I have some really good food, beer in the fridge, and then Pie Town is like 14 miles further. So I'm just going to leave late and just have a quick 14 miles into Pie Town, where I'll be staying at the other ranch. I forget what it's called. I'll look at that as well. But it's, the Toaster House, where I have a package waiting for me. And then, man, after that, it's really only like two and a half days to Grant. So now I have some options. Either I keep going to Cuba, or I get off at Grant's and head home. Not too sure. But yeah, I'm just going to sit here. I'm going to enjoy my meal. I'm cold soaking some dehydrated vegetables, ramen. But what I'm going to add is the tuna packets. It's tuna salad creations. And then I'm going to add some cashews. And this is actually one of my favorites on the trail. It has a little bit of everything that you need. But other than that, thanks for tuning in. Let's hope there's no mountain lions tomorrow. I think once was enough. All right, good night.